In this video we will talk about 7 steps for keeping teeth healthy for a lifetime. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. A smile can last a lifetime if you take care of it. For that reason, it's important for parents to instill good oral health habits in children as early as possible. Oral health disease is making disturbing inroads into communities across the country, Dr. Marsha Butler, Colgate-Palmolive's Vice President, Global Oral Health and Professional Relations, explains. For children between the ages of 5 and 17 here in the US, tooth decay is more common than asthma, more common than hay fever, and it poses a significant threat to our children's overall health and well-being. Recently, during the celebration of National Children's Dental Health Month, Colgate and Dr. Carmona unveiled the US Surgeon General's 7 Steps to a Bright Smile, tips that were developed, with a grant from Colgate-Palmolive, to help keep teeth and gums strong and healthy. 1. Brush teeth and gums with fluoride toothpaste at least twice a day, especially after eating breakfast and before bedtime. 2. Visit the dentist regularly. 3. Floss your teeth daily. 4. Use fluoride rinse for strong, healthy teeth and gums. 5. Limit the number of times you eat snacks each day and remember to practice healthy eating and get plenty of calcium. 6. Wear a mouth guard when playing sports. 7. Ask your dental professional about dental sealants. Through its Bright Smiles, Bright Futures program, Colgate has reached more than 50 million children with free dental screenings, treatment referrals and oral health education. The company is more than halfway to meeting a public commitment it made to reach 100 million children with these services by the year 2010. Bright Smiles, Bright Futures empowers children to take control of their oral health and helps to generate greater awareness about the importance of maintaining good dental hygiene. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.